Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your July the 24th to July the 27th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and please hit the notification bell. So, kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions dun po sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, nagla-live po tayo doon, pwede kayong sumali. Pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan, meron naman po dito sa comment section, pwede kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So simulan na natin. So Leo, parang ang nakikita ko dito, you might be choosing between yourself and some other parties in here. Maybe yourself, your relationship, yourself, or it could be family first, no? Um, there's something in here that probably you're wanting to push. But this journey, parang it's a one way. Kumbaga, isa lang ang ticket dito. So, it kind of medyo na naitutulak tayo, no? Somehow at the back of our mind, medyo naiisip natin, patusin ko kaya, no? Pero paano naman yung maiiwan ko, no? Again, it could be family, friends, or um, relationship, no? Or romance reading. Um, but I believe here, parang sinasabi mo dito, um, I need to I need to prioritize myself naman, no? Parang kasi medyo na-attempt tayo. Um, wow, I'm also seeing here, parang nasasabi niyo rin siguro na I think that this time, piliin ko naman yung sarili ko, having a relationship also, no? And I think I need to parang set aside muna itong family. Oh, but let's see. But the prosperity begins in here. So it kind of make me feel like it doesn't matter who. I mean, the choices here is yourself. No, I mean the choice is yourself. There might be a lot of choices, but you're prioritizing yourself. There you go. With a page of wands, the knight of wands. Oh, you're really going for a few numbers of you. I feel like Leo, medyo nililihim natin itong magiging move natin. I can totally understand if people might not gonna grasp, no, yung idea of your decision, or probably ay ayaw mong mahaluan ng negative, kumbaga, negative thinking, negative energies, no, coming from other people. I don't know kung tumitigas ang ulo mo dito, pero it kind of gusto mong mangyari yung gusto mong mangyari. By all means, gagawin mo, no? With the Seven of Swords, the Seven, clarified by the Seven of Pentacles and the Star. For a few numbers of you, I believe that you might gonna choose either leaving, your specific situation as of the moment, whether it is trabaho, bansa, no? Um, for a few numbers of you, this is about work, no? There might also be some elevations. The living in here is, sabihin natin, it could also be another department with a higher position. For those of you who are actually looking for a greener pasture, I think that you're choosing becoming practical, no? When it comes to career and finances, when it comes to love, I feel like you are about to receive this elevations of status, when it comes to your committed or a commitment. If this is not yet on the proposal stage yet, not yet on the marriage state, but I believe siguro ipapakilala tayo, no? Or ipapakilala mo na, no, itong person mo. So, let's focus on the relationship. Hinapyawan lang natin itong other departments of your life. So, there you go. Nakuha na natin yung gist, no, ng essence rather of the energy. So, ipapakilala na natin or ipapakilala na tayo, no, ng person natin sa kanyang family, or there will be an announcement in here with the Seven of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Four of Wands, the Strength card, the Three of Wands. So I'm seeing here unti-unti, no? Little by little napapakilala na tayo, little by little medyo our persons opening up, no, discussions with their families, friends, one thing's for sure na ikikwento ka na. With the Five of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups, the Queen of Wands. Let's say, yung pagpapakilala dito, sabihin natin parang ginagawa niyang blind item, no? It may not be a direct yet, pero parang sinasabi dito ni person natin is, uy, meron kayong aabangan, no? Itago natin siya sa pangalang Mr. Leo or Miss Leo. Ayan. So may mga specifics naman, pero not totally giving an exact description. So it might be very vague. With the Seven of Wands, clarified by the Nine of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles. I think that you probably asked this, no? Siguro sinabi mo kay person, oy, kailan ko ba mamimit, no? Itong friends mo, itong family mo. I'm also eager kasi at the back of your mind, Leo, siguro sinasabi mo dito na once na nakilala ko siya or sila, no? Um, that would be also an indication that my person is serious with me, no? Um, there's something here about the house. It could be, yung parang lumang bahay ba na mga Spanish era, no? Na bahay. I believe that dadaling ka doon. Doon ipapakilala. You're waiting for it. I think that your person here is also not mentioning about this plan of introducing you to the family with the King of Wands, the Temperance. Kanina ko pa nakikita yung introduction, kanina ko pa nakikita yung parang si person ay nagsasabi, no? Kinikwento ka, not really in a direct way, pero sooner I feel like makikita mo na itong family, friends, and other relatives or guardians ni person. If you're just looking for a sign, no, if your person's serious with you, I am seeing if you probably asked for it, this, wish for it, prayed for this, you know, i-introduce tayo, I think gagawin, no? That would be a sign for also them to prove to you that they are serious in their commitment with you, no? So tingnan natin dito ang feelings ni person, or this could also be your feelings. I want to fall asleep next to you. Is this cohabitation already and I need space? So, I think that the person here might be caught up in between. Sige, papakilala kita pero wag kang muna masyadong mag-intrude, no? Baka kasi your person's also thinking na you have the tendency once nalaman mo yung bahay, palagi ka nang nandoon. So I think that your person still also needs a bit of, their me time, no? Pero inuunti-unti naman yung adjustments. So I can still see, Leo, that there is progress in here kasi the mere fact that your person might be a little closed off and then magkakaroon nga dito ng introduction, no? That's actually a big leap for your person to um, introduce you to their family, no? Or to their friends, to someone that's very close to their hearts, no? So, Leo, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, baka kapwa Leo ito. I'm seeing the king and queen is going to be, the king and queen of the house is going to be um, faced, by you. So chances are this is the moment that they had. I'm seeing Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, Aquarius, Capricorn. Sagittarius is very dominant, no? What else? Yep, so that's what I am seeing in here, Leo. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, mag-subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So nagla-live po tayo doon, might as well subscribe na rin kayo para maabutan nyo yung live. Pero kung hindi nyo naaabutan, pwede naman po kayo comment, no, dito sa video na ito. As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, kung di naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Pwede po kayong pwede nyo pong i-check. Nandun po ang question form. Nandun po yung information, how much per question, the QR codes, the number, for your reference. And if you also want to avail the promotion of 4 questions plus 1, that's actually a discounted price. And kung gusto nyo rin pong i-avail ang ating private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box, no? So, Leo, tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. Nandun pa rin sa description box yung actually may nadagdag. No? Nabawasan yung isa, may nadagdag na namang isa. So, nandun po yung fake accounts na pwede ninyong i-report, no? Para makaiwas po sa mga nang i-scams, no? Ginagamit yung name and videos natin and logos, no? Tapos wala namang readings. Ayan. So, nandun din po yung email wherein you can send me the screenshot for our raffle. No? Once na-report yun na, pwede nyo i-send yung screenshot. And then, once nagapi natin itong mga fake accounts, bubunod po ako ng winner ng ating free personal reading. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Leo. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.